Hi, my name is Ashley Gregoire. I live in Ackworth, Georgia, just north of Atlanta. This is Jackson. This is basically what schoolwork looks like in my world. Um, I have three boys at home who are 12, 10, and 3. And then I have a 20-year-old daughter who is at St. Louis. Stop. Which one? Who is at St. Louis University. Touch it. Touch it. There we go. Yeah, triangle. Nope, not that one. Triangle. You want this one. There we go, Papa. Oh, Jackie. Okay. I'm a full-time student at Herzing, in Atlanta, and then I'm taking this course. It's a prereq. I've taken chemistry before and not been successful, so we'll see how this goes. Um, I'm on my way for my BSN and then to my nurse practitioner, and I hope to at least understand, I guess, the basics of chemistry. So we will see. But that's kind of the summary here.